Hi, I'm Dr. Deborah Zucker, naturopathic physician and transformational health coach at Vital Medicine. And welcome to today's Vital Tip. The topic today is on unleashing your energy through pruning your life. Now, the reason I want to talk about this is that most of us these days struggle with fatigue, with exhaustion, with a sense of scarcity of time, the overbusyness. And a lot of us go to stimulants as a solution. And I want to point to a deeper, more foundational way in which we can relate with our energy. And to use the analogy of pruning to do that. So if you look at what happens when we prune a tree or prune a plant, we're cutting away the old growth in order to allow for the natural blossoming, the natural blooming, the natural flourishing that's wanting to happen in that plant. And it's through the cutting of the old growth that that's able to happen. And the same is true for us. So I'd like you now to join me in a bit of a self-assessment, to ask yourself, what is it that you may need to let go of in order to blossom into the fullness of your life energy? So taking a look at your physical belongings, perhaps there's some lightening of your material load that can happen. Looking at your relationships in your life of all kinds, perhaps there's some of those to let go of or have clear boundaries around. What about your job or the ways in which you're offering your service in the world or the place that you're living? Really, any aspect of your life is fair game to explore this question for yourself. And I invite you to really see with clear eyes and be totally honest with yourself and do a little experiment to see what happens if you take that next little baby step towards letting go of something that may no longer fit who you are and who you're becoming, that's holding you back, weighing you down, and to see what happens when you have the courage to say no, to create a new boundary, to give something away. And to give yourself permission to really flourish in life, to come into the fullness of your own blossoming. So that's today's Vital Tip, and I look forward to joining you next time. Thanks.